Hi friends, this is Mona. Welcome to Miracle Creatures channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, comment and click the bell icon to get the latest videos. Harvester, subfamily Militini, any of a group of predatory insects in the gossamer winged butterfly family, Lycaenidae, order Lepidoptera, that are rapid flyers and are distinguished by iridescent wings that are usually brownish above and spotted below. The male's forelegs are reduced, but the females are fully developed. Harvesters are distinguished by their predatory habits during the larval stage. The squat, hairy larvae of Phenaceca tarquinius, known in some areas as wanderers, attack aphids and are generally found on hawthorn and alder trees. It is the only species of harvester found in the United States. Orange-tipped butterfly, genus Anthocharis, any of a group of butterflies in the subfamily Pierinae, family Pieridae, order Lepidoptera, that have a wingspan of 37 to 63 mm, 1.5 to 2.5 inches. The orange-tipped, so-called because most species have an orange spot on the top of the forewings, have whitish wings with black markings and green marbling on the underside. The larvae feed on plants in the mustard family. There are about 1,100 species in the family Pieridae, which also contains the white and sulfur butterflies. Zebra swallowtail butterfly, Eurytides marcellus, species of butterfly in the family Papilionidae, order Lepidoptera, that has wing patterns reminiscent of a zebra's stripe, with a series of longitudinal black bands forming a pattern on a greenish-white or white background. There are several generations in a single year, spring broods being rather smaller than summer broods. Adult forms that emerge at different seasons vary considerably in their markings. The span of the forewings is 6 to 9 centimeters, 2.5 to 3.5 inches, and the hindwings bear tails that are 15 to 25 millimeters, 0.6 to 1 inch long. The principal food plant of the larvae is the pawpaw. Previously this species has been placed in the genera Ipoclides, Gruffium, and Papilio. The species closely resembles the European scarce swallowtail Ipodalerius. Painted lady, Vanessa cardvi, species of butterfly in the brush-footed butterfly family, Nymphalidae order Lepidoptera, that has broad wings, span about 4 to 5 centimeters, 1.5 to 2 inches, with beautifully elaborate patterns of reddish-orange, pink, brown, white, and blue scales. Vast numbers travel northward in spring across the Mediterranean from Africa to Europe, migrating thousands of kilometers. A few of the next generation travel southward during late summer, but most perish in the northern winter. Painted lady larvae in the Americas feed on plants that are members of the family Compositae, while larvae in Africa and Europe eat thistles and stinging nettles. In North America, V. cardvi and V. virginesis are known as the painted lady and American painted lady, respectively. In Europe and Africa, V. cardvi is referred to as the painted lady, whereas in Central America V. virginesis is called the painted lady. Atta butterfly, subfamily Satyrini, also called brown, any of a group of delicate butterflies in the family Nymphalidae, order Lepidoptera, that are abundant during summer months in the woods and grasslands of the United States and Europe. The adults are dull brown or gray, while the larvae possess small, forked tail-like appendages on their abdomens. Adult butterflies have brown wings with a span of 5 to 6 centimeters, 2 to 2.4 inches, and conspicuous circular markings on them. These false eyes on the wings may serve to frighten or distract predatory birds. Some of the best-known satyrs are pearly-eye butterflies. Southern pearly-eyed Enodia portlandia have dark eye spots near the margins of their forewings and hind wings. They are found primarily in the southeastern region of the United States, with their range extending west to the eastern edge of Texas. They inhabit damp, wooded areas and feed on decaying fruit and animal flesh as well as on sap. Southern pearly-eye larvae occur on the bamboo plant Arundinaria tecta, which also serves as host to the larvae of Creole pearly-eyes, A. creola, and several species of skippers, e.g., Carolina roadside skippers, Amblyssciates carolina, in the order Lepidoptera. Northern pearly-eyed A. Anthedon are similar in appearance to their southern counterparts and are found mainly in the northeastern region of the United States and in Canada, from central Saskatchewan to Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, comment and click the bell icon to get the latest videos. Bye friends.